Upon entering this charming hotel, you will immediately sense its elegant atmosphere that will make you feel special. Each detail has been passionately chosen and each room deserves a visit. Best Western Premier style mixes valuable African antiques and original Maasai art with an unexpected eclectic contemporary twist. The large windows are not just portholes that bring light in and keep the weather out, they are highly stylistic and impact heavily on the overall aesthetic appeal of the lobby, where Pete and Kasera bumped into Shaheen Rajwani, the elegant and suave interior designer of the Best Western Premier Nairobi. The Best Western Premier Business Center has 4 state-of-the-art meeting and conference rooms, providing seamless services to provide the highest levels of creativity, convenience, and efficiency for every business need and event. The executive suite comes with a hallway lounge and magnificent glass windows, and this is exactly what Kasera discovered when interior designer Shaheen Rajwani opened this world of luxury to her.
This is one of the executive suites.
Wow, I like it. What was your inspiration for the color choice?
Contemporary African, again, I've used the landscape, the colors of the landscape around the area, the Gong Hills, the sunsets from there. And we've started that right from the lobby with the orange theme
I
there, and
noticed
continued
that.
it up with one piece in each room that stands out.
Someone who is staying in the room, what kind of emotions do you want them to have when they're in the room?
I think the room should be tranquil and peaceful.
I'm seeing you continued with the theme of the mustards and the grey, you know.
Yes.
What inspired that?
They're suitable for a business hotel. And yet again, we have that lovely warmth coming through. And also by using a pattern on the chair, we were able to just create a lovely stripe onto the bed through. I think it's important to make a concept tie together. We've got, as you can see, the mustards and greys are on the seat, and it's lovely to then reflect it back onto the bed.
Yes, I mean, you do it so beautifully though. I like that. It's simple, understated, and it works.
Thank you. Did you also notice the same stripe or mustard
concept
then runs through the
beautiful.
sheer as well?
Yeah.
And this then also, the stripe here ties in with the beautiful wallpaper on this side.
Yeah, the
Same
greys
stripe,
and
yes.
the mustard. Now that's amazing. Like, I really love how you managed to tie in all the different concepts, the color schemes. Like, throughout the whole hotel, I have noticed that. I think it's an amazing job.
Thank you, Kasera.
You can relax on the rooftop deck that offers stunning views of the city and a magnificent swimming pool that merges with the celestial blue skies. You will discover that this is one of the most romantic spots in Nairobi to dine al fresco. We caught up with Shaheen and Kasera as they walked up onto the deck.
How do you manage to make a rooftop pool not, you know, make it cozy, make it, I see you used a lot of vegetation and plants, you know? What was the approach?
Well, you know, it's that feeling of, again, being outside, not having the space of a garden on the property. Really try to create this garden feel, landscape it so that everything here matches with the environment around you, the trees, the lighting, the textures outside. And then what I love is the glass railings.
Yes.
You can see right through those.
Yes. So I'm really interested in looking at the decking upstairs.
Sure.
Can we go?
We
Can
can
we go
do
look
it.
at that?
There's a lovely little bar there.
Really?
If you'd like to have a drink.
I need to check that out because I might need a drink after this.
With sweeping views of the Nairobi skyline, Level 8 is the perfect place to come for after work drinks or that relaxed evening out. It is the ideal place to unwind after a long day and enjoy a unique blend of design paired with signature cocktails, as Pete found out when he met with Shaheen for drinks. The glow in your face, it tells me this place must have a special place in your heart.
It is. It's my favorite space in the hotel because it's the most creative part, I feel.
What inspired that?
The vodka itself, the drink, which is made out of the purest water. So I wanted to keep this watery element in the space.
Right.
Hence, if you look at the carpet, we've used a wave design.
Right. I mean, just looking at this place, it's basically oblong,
But you brought it alive. What sort of challenges did you face designing this place?
It was a challenge because it was a long room, and it's 4 meters by 16 meters, so it's quite a challenge to create space and also put the capacity in for seating. But what we were able to do is create a wall of mirrors, as you see in front of you. And through that wall of mirrors, we made the bar look twice or 3 times bigger than it actually is. And also, anybody sitting at the bar, if they are to look around them, will still see the skyline of Nairobi from all angles. So wherever
Yes,
you
that's
sit
right.
in the bar, you're able to see the city views.
In a sentence, what would you tell anybody who's aspiring to come to this pub?
I think it's beautiful to sit up in the air on the 6th or 7th floor and have views of Nairobi, sipping your syrup vodka here.
Wow.
Any drink by that.
Yes, that's
Yeah.
right. Yes. Talking about syrup vodka, shall we toast to your design?
Yes, we should.
While attempting to define and explore the operations of the self-sufficient aesthetic imagination, it will take you to the cataclysmic split between imagination and nature. Always remember that scenery is literature's tacit way of rendering man's place in the living world, a reflection of our relationship to the biosphere. Pablo's is known for its legendary burgers, pasta and pizzas with the authentic flavor of Italy and the variety of dishes on its menu. The Pablo's menu is designed to cater for all types of travelers and has both indoor and outdoor seating. The terrace affords you an opportunity to have a meal while savoring the city in the sun, or you could choose to sit in the earthy colored interior. The Pablo's sophisticated lounge setting features warm interiors and striking mood lighting. The dark mahogany walls, replete with a light timber floor and modern and comfortable lounge seats, set the tone for an atmosphere reminiscent of a speakeasy. The style is a synthesis of contemporary and traditional elements. It's a very chic, elegant and inviting restaurant with a warm and pleasant atmosphere. The style is a combination of classical and modern. The interior has a certain amount of drama, and yet it's also simple. It's a fusion of indoor and outdoor spaces. Most of the furniture was custom designed for the restaurant, and this makes a unique space where guests can enjoy a one-of-a-kind experience. Unless you have a huge family, some aspects of these 3 restaurant designs will need to be scaled down in order to work well in a domestic setting. Nevertheless, using modern restaurant designs as a starting point for new ideas can give your home a refreshingly up-to-date look. When you're next eating out at the Johari, Tembo Bistro or Pablo's, take some inspiration from the designs that you can apply to your home's dining room and kitchen. While you may choose not to replicate the extravagance or the grandeur of some of these spaces, they sure will inspire you to revamp your own cozy crib.